Welcome everybody, this is Joni at Granny J Clay, and I wanted to show you a few things I've been working on. Lately, you know that I've been putting these metal frames around my clay pieces, and because I do that, then the clay is very, very thin, as you can see here. Let's see, let's do this. It's very thin. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. Kind of shiny. Yeah. And then you don't use as much clay. Plus, it's just not as heavy on your neck. And if you're a person that likes smaller, daintier jewelry, this is the way to go. I just love doing these. It's just fun. It's just fun. So I created a sheet of clay. I used Primo turquoise granite for this. So you'll see little specks of black here and there. But then I took a stencil and I placed that on my sheet of clay and I painted some white paint over it. Actually, I dabbed it on with a sponge, similar to this. Yeah, like that. And let that dry. And so then I had this real pretty veneer in the end, and I used it for some gold pieces, and I used it for some silver pieces and some copper pieces. I'll show you all of those in a minute, but what I wanted to point out is I had just gotten some new pieces, new frames, metal frames, in from Temu. And I got this frame, let's see, I guess all of them. I had some of these before, but I ordered more. I love this shape. Love, love, love that shape. I had not had any of these shapes before. I have to show you this. This is so precious. Do you see it? There's a little bee down here and a little bee up there. It's just the prettiest. Oh, it's so pretty. And then on the back, I'll just put it, I just put some gold glitter on each one of these. And I didn't make it very thick. Because I wanted to keep these as thin as possible, as lightweight as possible. But I think these shapes are so pretty. This little, you can't really, I don't know if you'd call it a teardrop. The hole is up here. And maybe you can see it. But that is such a pretty shape. And that particular frame is very textured and shiny. It's real pretty. I really have had good luck ordering from Temu, so I'm real happy about that. I don't know if I'd order this one again. It's okay. I would probably add a charm to this so the charm would hang down. But I don't know if I like that. It's gold. They're all gold, but that's not my favorite shape, I guess. These others I really like. I think they're really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to also, let's see here, show you my others. I wanted to show you this first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some pieces that I made just yesterday, and then I also put resin on them. These are resined on the top and on the back, of course. But this new group I'm going to bring in is how I used to make pieces, and it takes so much more clay, and some people like it that way. That's fine. But I really am preferring these little smaller ones very, very much. So let me bring in the other pieces, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Do you see how much bigger? Now this is a tall piece, but this is thicker. And then I put silver on the back of those. But these are just thicker. And you could probably make these as thin as you wanted to. I was just, I think, accustomed to and used to making them a little bit thicker. This is a 0 on my Atlas 180. And these other ones that I just showed you, that's a 3. A 3 is just perfect for putting frames around these. And then you don't have to do much sanding. You have to do a little bit sometimes, but not very much. And so here's some more. Let's see if I can get this out a little bit more. And you can see these pieces. Okay. Let's see, where did I drill that hole? So that'll go like that. So this is a necklace, earrings, necklace, necklace, earrings, earrings. So there's quite a difference when you bring in something like this. You can tell how much different this one is than the others. And plus, I still like this. It's pretty. But if you have a little frame around it, I don't know. To me, it just finishes it off. And I just love these frames. So I'll probably be making these a lot. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the difference in between them. And I will, of course, still use these and give them away. But let me show you some other ones. I'm going to bring these in. These are also gold. And it's the same, let's see. It's the same piece, metal piece, as this one, but I made a different print with this. I just kept using what I had left over from the granite clay to make other things. So what I did is I impressed one of my texture sheets on here, or texture mats on here, and then I filled it in with some gold Pearl X powder. And I'm going to have to show you sometime. You know how sometimes when you do that, then you lift some of the powder off with some tape? Well, I've learned another way to do that too. As long as the texture is set deep into the clay, my new technique of getting it off of there, the excess off of there, works really well. And I'll have to have a video and show you that sometime. But anyway, this is, and I put just, you know, they all have a little gold on the back. So I have some of those. So it's turquoise and gold for those. And let me bring in this is another texture sheet that I made with a stencil. Let's see here. I can get all this in here. Show you all my little pieces. I really have to spend a day now on putting things together again. This is kind of it. All right, let's just bring it back out a little tiny bit. There, you can kind of see it. But I had let's see if I can show you what I had. It wasn't a stencil, I'm sorry. But it was a folder. I used a folder. And so, let's see if I put it this way. There you go. You can see the print. And so I just sprayed the inside of this with water and put a sheet of clay in there and pressed it down real hard. And then when I was done, then I took some really pretty copper Pearl X and put it on there and then removed the excess. And that's real pretty. So all of this is trying to, you know, once I got my turquoise granite out, I decided I would use it up as best I can. And so this is what I have left. I have just this little piece left. But I used it over and over and over in different ways and added different things to it. So these are also silver on the back. These have silver frames. The other ones had gold. So these are silver. Let's see. I'm going to... Oh, I missed these two, didn't I? These two little bitty ones. I just love these. I love this little one. I love the rectangle. I'm going to get some more of that, I think. Let's come down here so you can see that better. Some more of these little rectangles. Aren't they cute? They'd make a really cute little bracelet. And I'll show you the regular size of the rectangle. This is silver. Okay, now I have to come back out to show you, but this would be too big. But this would be just too cute, wouldn't it? For a bracelet? I just think that'd be really cute. And I have one size in between these two. I think I've shown you that too. That would fit as or work as a bracelet as well. So I just think this is so pretty. So pretty. All right, I put those over there. And I'm going to bring in the rest of my, let's see if I can bring it out here. Okay. because these have silver frames, I just put silver on the back. And this again is this would work also as a bracelet, I think. See, like that. Whatever you want to do with it. Or you could just put a bead on the bottom, you know, use it as a necklace, put a bead on the bottom. And these have 2 holes, one on this side and one on this side, so you can attach a little bead on the bottom for a necklace for that one. Now let me see. All of these are new, I believe. Oh, and this is, I have to show you this just a second. Let's bring this down so you can see it better. And then do this. Get everything in view here for you. Anyway, this one is my favorite that I'm going to show you in a second. I just love this. This is a bird, like a bird cage. Isn't that the cutest ever? I just think that's so cute. So there's the bird. Looks like pieces of grass and a branch here. So it must be leaves and a branch. And there's a flower. And a couple hearts up there, another flower. Isn't that the cutest? Sorry, I had a tickle. I had to pause a minute. It actually had it on both sides. You could see it on both sides. And it looks so cute both ways. But of course I covered up. But to me it looks like, even though it's a print, it looks like the sky and some clouds or something. I just love that. I love birds, number one. So that would be one of my special ones that I like. And again, we want to make sure everything's in view here. And I think, yeah, those are all my silver ones. And yeah, I put silver on the end. So these will be earrings. Or they could be small necklaces too. You know, like a 15-inch necklace with this in the middle. These could be the same. Or they could be earrings. Whatever. Anyway, I didn't make a lot of, I didn't make an extra one for this. I just wanted to show you the different forms that I got. Now this one I had, I just kind of dug it out. I didn't know I had it yet in my stash. So I dug that one out. And let me see if I had, and these 2 little squares, I had those. Oh, and these 2 too. But this one, this, and this are all new. And this one. They're all new. Anyway, I am just always, that's my 3rd order from Temu, and I am thrilled. And no, they don't pay me to advertise for them. Just telling you, as a clayer, I really, really, really like them. I was going to show you the size of this one. I'm not going to measure all of them, but I like the double heart. Isn't that cute? Let's see here. That, okay. Anyway, so those are my silver ones. Now I will show you my, I have just a few in copper. I just happen to have these copper pieces, and I thought, well, I'll do a couple in copper. And so I did. So this could be a necklace, earrings, that's a necklace, whatever. You know, whatever you decide. It could be whatever you want, I guess. But these are more like shaped closer together up at the top. So I would use those as earrings, but this could definitely be a little necklace. You know, you could have something strung out from each side. It's just cute. And then I put copper on the back of each of these. So, and I had this, but I hadn't used it yet. So that's what I wanted to just come out and show you today. I have a lot of work ahead of me now that I put these together. What I'm finding is when I do these, it goes fairly fast. So it opens up a window of space for you to make more. And so I've been making more. And I've got so many now that I have finished off, but I've got more that I need to finish off, like just the whole group I just showed you. So I think that, pull you in here. I think as soon as maybe tomorrow, I'll start putting more things together. And I just wanted to share this with you. It was somebody that had made a comment on my YouTube channel comments that it's so fun now. And I think she was referring to putting frames on, but she found it so fun to be making clay jewelry now. And it is fun. It is so fun. I don't know. There's just something fun about it and unique about it. And I do like the smaller pieces too. So that's it. That's all I was going to share for today. Hope you've had a really good day. And I will be back with another video sometime soon. God bless each and every one of you and enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.